So hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I come back with a new amazing video. In this video I am going to explore one of the amazing sites, SkyTelecom.io, that provides reliable SMS and voice infrastructure for global teams. In there that site is providing instant onboarding, live monitoring and priority routing that provide up to 99.99% platform uptime, 120 plus countries covered and 24 by 7 sport coverage. That site is providing global SMS, voice and SIP to FA and OTP factor for security, and the using of this platform advantages that intelligent routing, live analytical and compliance ready dedicated support about 24 and 7 hours. In the down you can see that some information about this site. You can contact through this simple contact option. You can choose that email for contact about 24 by 7 hours, and if you have another query related to sport, sales, billing, you can choose specific email for the specific issue, and you can also send SMS by filling these all details with the simple steps. And now I'm going to tell you about services. I already told you services, and the main purpose of choosing this site is that provide multi-route redundancy for consistent delivery, real-time analytic and usage visibility, secure access control and audit trails, dedicated onboarding and success supports. In the down use some see other features, transport, billing, security and compliances, and other options are also available. You can choose blog option for getting maximum information about this site, how SIP trunks work and getting started with Sky Telecom. I just need to click on this and then you can check all this, create your account, fund your wallet. First of all I will teach you how you can create your account. For the creation of account you just need to click on this, then you need to add fund, deposit, configure, message. I will choose teach you every method by step. First, for the creation of account you need just click on the get started, then full name, then email, then password, then confirm password. After filling all this information you just need to click on this simple button create now. But I already have account, then first of all I log in this account and then I teach you the further process. Now you successfully see that I successfully log in my account. Here you can see that I top up by using some simple steps. For the after making the account you have to follow, as you can see that I first go to blog, then you can see that this option, and this option you can see that a fund your wallet, deposit, credit your wallet automatically, keep a healthy balance so message and calls are not interrupted during a peak usage. Here you can see that first of all after creating the account you have to deposit some money. How you can deposit? I just click on this deposit button, then you need to add a wallet balance, such as now I want to deposit amount of 250 euro. For the deposit I need just click assets, such as I want to go with the TRC20. After this you can see that a fee will be a 2 euro and estimate total will be a 250 euro. And now I click on this continue payment method. Now after this, and now you can see that creating and starting. I just need to wait. Now you can see that my wallet is created successfully, and this address I have to send money through my Binance. Another wallet, the amount will be that, and after this amount sent, then I just need to click on that I have completed my account. Just I click on I have sent the payment button, and but before this you need to wait and send the amount. Then after sending the amount you need to select on this. But I just key doing these things and deposit for just to guide you how you can deposit your account. After depositing account, now you can just need to configure a message, such as I deposit my account with a 1 euro and 92 euro. You can see that. Now you can check here. Now you go to the overview. This one is the overview option. Here you can check information about your recent usage, top of wallet, send SMS, open sport and view rates. Just I click on this, you can check all the view rates regarding voice rates, so and SMS rates according to United States, according to any country. Such as I go through with United States, you can check here. United States rate is around a 0.08 euro, and you can check that SMS rate is around 0.0143. You can check out that easily. And after this you can see another option are also available, that was an are now I go back and I then choose dashboard. Then this one is the SMS. This one is the SMS option where you can send your SMS to your persons. Such as you can see that for the sending message you need to enter something, such as I already send 1 to 2 message to my own number. You can check out here, that one is my phone number. Now you can check here, I just enter here info, SMS. Here I just need to enter my number, such as I am going to enter my number here. After entering the number, I just need to select here the message. Hi, this is Adnan Crypto. Now after this I just need to click on this send now. But before sending now I can also schedule this time. The message will be automatically selected according to my selected time. But I don't use this type of schedule. I just click on this sending now button. Now you can see that my message is sent successfully. You can check here that successfully my message is sent. Now I just have to wait, and then I show you the screen share of my mobile where I message receive. You can see that easily I have successfully received this on my mobile easily in my Pakistani number. You can check out here. This one is the voice SMS, voice call options. Here you just can do put your number and call with at any time. You can choose your own caller ID with own options, such as I select my caller ID 1908. I can shift this caller ID first. Before I show you this overview option, you can check out here. I change my caller ID and call on that option, then I change this my caller ID to call this number, then I change my caller ID and then call this number. You can check that these are the logs where I use recent I used and change my caller ID continuous just to test this site. That one is the amazing and creative gateway to connect with global. You can use it for your business, you can use it for your daily life and daily activities. Now I'm going to test this again color by entering my number. Just first of all you can check out that my caller ID is that. Now I'm going to enter the number here, 92. Now I just put on this call. Now you can see that my microphone is in use. I just now wait for the call. You can see that I also will pick up the call and will use these words. 1908 is my caller ID. You can check out here successfully. Now I just have to pick the call. Now for picking the call you can just have I am taking for a few seconds, so the call will pick successfully. Now you can check that. Hi, hello, I am Adnan Crypto. Now I'm going to cut the call. Now you can see that there is in call option, mean that the call is picked up on my mobile. Now I just have to cut the call, then I am going to explore another features. I hope you got it, how you can call and how you can change your caller ID within a few seconds within just simple steps. Now I'm going to cut this call by simply this cut option. After this cut option you can see that I can change number and call to other person just entering this number. I just clear this number and I can change this number such as 92. Now I'm just putting random numbers such as you can see that 3058695 and 23, and I can also change my caller ID just by putting this caller ID 2020 and then click on save changes. You can see that now my caller ID is successfully updated. You can check out there my caller ID is now 2020. Just by clicking this call option my call will be automatically connected to that one number. I hope you get out this information. Now this one is the usage option. You can check that all the information about usage, such as now I call on that number and my cost around was that 0.9 euro, and you can check out that these options. This one is the billing option. You can check that the maximum billing options, that you can see last payment option was that and 0.85 euro, and in the round you can see the pay as you go. You can choose 1 month for 30 euro and 6 months for 120 euro, and you can one best year value is 200 euro for 1 month. You can add fund and activate just by clicking simple options. You can add fund by already told you how you can add fund in this site. Here is the API option. You can use it for your call centers and other options and the realization header, and you can also operate your own app by using this simple create key. This one is the playground option. Here you can check the change color ID options, update color ID. You can change your color ID with simple steps. change SIP account. You can also do that easily. Change, send SMS, view SMS logs, and other options are also available. This one is the support option. You can create your ticket. If you are facing any type of issue, you can contact to company at any time, and they will answer you as soon as possible. And their team is here at about 24 by 7 hour. And now I hope you get the maximum information about SkyTelecom, and I hope you will keep continue using this site, and you will use this site as your own risk, and also invest in this and make your life easy to connect with global. Take care and goodbye.